How to create a free online store with Google Sites. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can create your very own website, a e-commerce platform with Google Sites. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. Now I'm on Google Sites over here. Let me just go ahead and get started. Let me go to the Google Sites. So when you first come over here, this is how it's going to look like, right? You're going to have a template, some templates over here at the top. You're going to have a very standard looking Google template, Google website. And to create a new website, just simply click on this, create a new site, right? This is going to allow you to create a blank website, but yeah, this is pretty much how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, right? So over here, so this is how your page is going to look like. All right, you're going to have your main options over here. You can create themes. You will have text inboxes, pages, whatever you want. You're going to have everything set over here. Now, first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to set this up, set it up as a home page and all of that. But before we even do it, I'm sure you're wondering how will we actually implement, the e-commerce platform over here. Well, it's pretty simple. Now, Google doesn't have any plugins or any software for that. In order to sell our items from Google Sites, we need to actually create an account on other e-commerce platform such as Ecommerce over here. Now, Ecommerce is a pretty amazing e-commerce platform that allows you to sell your products online, and it's pretty amazing. So over here, what we're going to do is we're going to sign up onto this platform, set up our store over here, and then what we're going to do is we're going to connect it to our Google websites. So we're going to go ahead and set up our Google Sites. Like, we're going to set up the name, right? So I'll just say, so something like that, I mean, of course, I don't have a lot of stuff, but for now, I think this looks good. Then we just simply go ahead and create a new page, right? And I'll just call it a store. And yeah, I think that looks good. That's pretty much it. Then what we need to do is we need to set up our Ecommerce account. So we're going to go ahead and log in. I'll catch you guys in a second. And once you have signed up, you are good to go. Then you just got to set up a couple of things, stores, your storefront, payment options and all of that, but we can do all of that later. For now, what we're going to do is we're just simply going to go ahead and add our products. And to add products, come over here onto the left side and you will see the catalog option underneath sales. So in catalog, click on products and it's going to take you to the product store over here where you can go quickly add some of your products. Now, as you can see, we already have some demo products that are already added. So what we'll do is we'll just simply select all of them and delete them. So simply click on select all, click on this button right here, mass upload, and over here at the bottom you will see delete selected. So we'll just simply click on that and delete the selected items. And once the products have been deleted, you are good to go. Now let's go ahead and add new products. So to add new products, we'll just simply click on add new product button over here and then wait for it to load up. And over here, we'll just simply upload our images. So to upload our images, what we'll do is I've already have some images on hand. So let me just add them over here. All right, so these are some of the images that I have. So I'm just simply going to select all of them and quickly just simply upload all of my images over here. Give it a couple of seconds for all the images to load up, and then we'll just simply add some names. So this is like a summer dress, right, with a flower pattern on it. So I'll just say summer dress with flower patterns over it, and then we just simply enter in the description and the weight of the product, the SKU, and everything else. But for now, that's good. And we enter in the price over here. So this is, I would say, like maybe a $30 maybe, but yeah, for now that's good. Then you can go ahead and set some attributes to them, right? You can go in the options, you can add in new options, different variants, you can add different files, shipping and pickup, SEOs, and all of that. But for now, I think that's good. And then just simply click on save. So now we have some of our products ready. Let's go ahead and check them out. We'll go into catalogs and we can see we have the products right here. So now we can go ahead and add other products as well, but for now we'll just keep it at that. Now what I'll do is I'll actually go ahead and add a couple of more products so that it looks nice. Okay, so once you have added all of your products, you are good to go. Now next step, what you need to do is you need to set like categories. All right, so to set categories, you will see the category option underneath products within catalog. Simply click on that, and over here you can add different categories, right? So Over here you have description. Over here you can add the new root category. Over here you can name the category. I'll just say summer or whatever, and then you can add like a category image as well. So for that, I would say, or actually, instead of summer we'll just say dresses, right? And then we'll choose one of the dresses of the image that I have, right? This one. So once that's done, right, just simply click on save and your category has been set. So this is the category, right? We can enter in a detail of what we want, and then we can add like subcategories within that category. So next, let's go ahead and add another one. We'll just call it fitness. And over here, we'll again add choose a image that looks best. So I'm going to choose this one, then click on save. So yeah, now we have dresses and we have fitness as well. Now within fitness, we don't have any products, but as you can see, we now have a limit, so we can't do that. So in order to create more categories, we need to upgrade our plan. So now we'll just simply assign some of the dress to the dress category. We'll add these two products within this category. And then in fitness, we're going to assign a product to fitness one. So gym wears are going to be over here. So we're going to add that. There we go. I believe that is done. Yeah. Next, what we need to do, let me just reload it because it doesn't show over here. I mean, I have added it. So let me just see it one more time. Okay, so they are here. So we're good to go. Next, what we need to do is we need to go ahead and click on the design of our products over here. Underneath configuration, you will see design. So over here, you can choose large images or medium or small. It all depends on you. I'm going to stay with medium. And then you have your square, you have landscape, portrait, or however you want your products to be showcased. I'm going to choose portrait. And then you have your product details. So align to the center of the left, align content to right, or justify content however you feel like it. I feel like, and then we are good to go. Next, what we need to do is we need to embed this into our Google site. So for that, we'll click on overview, and over here we have a bunch of different options. So we can see we have Google Shopping, TikTok, Amazon, and if you want to sell on other platforms or a custom website, then we can just simply choose this method. So we'll click on custom website and we'll copy code to the clipboard, right? So this is the code. We'll copy it, all of it. So we'll copy the code, right? And then we can choose the page of our store. So log into your site backends and open the page where you want your store to appear in the editing mode, and then paste the code within the page. So this is the store, right? So over here, we need to add the code. So for that, so when you're over here onto store, then it's pretty simple. You come over here at the top right corner, click on insert, click on embedded, and then again click on embed code, and then paste the code that you had copied from Ecwid, and then just simply click on next, wait for it to load up. There you go. And then just simply click on insert. So over here it's loading up, but we're going to click on insert, and then we are going to have our products. So over here it's still loading up, but yeah, here we go. So then we just simply increase the size of it right here, and pretty much that's it. Then we can add other stuff as well, like text box, images, more, and we are good to go. Now whenever someone wants to buy these products, all they would have to do is click on the buy button by coming over here, and then once they've bought it, we will receive all of our information on Ecwid, and they will do all of the shipping and stuff for us. So but that's how you create a e-commerce platform on Google Sites. So that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to answer them as soon as possible. So having said that, I will catch you guys in the next video, and until then, take care and goodbye.